So today I have this oversized sweater. Oversized is cute, but too oversized, it can be too much. So I had this idea to use the elastic that has a fold in it. It's this. To hem knits, basically. Since knits are stretchy, I wanted to get a finishing edge that has the same characteristic of being stretchy. So I bought this elastic tape. This was the closest color I could find to the sweater that I wanted to hem. So that it matches and blends. And I got my elastic tape from Pacific Trimming here in New York City. They have a lot of good colors. You can also find the same tape on Amazon or probably at your local craft type store as well. So I was a little bit worried about the sweater unraveling as I did it, but that just didn't happen. So I just went and cut it and just like went for sewing this elastic on. And I did the sleeves too because, well, yeah, like were crazy long. So you'll need a big sweater, scissors, safety pins, elastic, and a sewing machine. So first I cut the elastic a little smaller than the circumference of the opening, the sleeves or the bottom hem. I'll be honest, this was not my first try. I originally had the elastic too long and sewed it on and it stretched out the edge of the sleeve and it looked really bad. So I realized that the key is to make sure the elastic is a good bit smaller than the sweater edge circumference or the sleeve circumference, like quite a few inches smaller. Your sewing machine should be on the multi-point zigzag stitch. It's kind of like a dashed zigzag line. This is the best stitch for stretchy things. So here I'm sewing the elastic onto the sweater edge, making sure to stretch the elastic and sandwich the sweater fabric inside this folded edge. So here's the first finished sleeve edge. It looked good after I undid it and fixed it. So I kept on moving with the other sleeve and then the bottom hem. So here's the finished sweater. It came out really cute. I like the oversized relaxed fit look, but with lengths that fit me, lengths that are proportional to my body. I like it tucked in and with the sleeves bunched up, so that's kind of how I was like styling it, and that's probably how I'll just normally wear it most of the time. I wore it the next day to work to wear test it right away, see how it does, see how it feels. Here I am at work during my lunch break kind of posing, trying it out with some jeans. Try this technique out on a big sweater that you own and let me know how it goes in the comments below. I have other sweaters and knit pants I'm excited to try this technique out on. I think it's going to be really useful for a bunch of other clothing that I have. So I might be making more videos using this technique, so stand by. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to be notified when new videos come out. I'm also on Instagram at EmilyKellerCO, where I post related fashion stuff. And I'll see you in the next one.